Oh, right take. One.
What you didn't do, you didn't check if we had our.
One example.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
I wouldn't have done it.
I know.
Well, I was confused when it was like just a practice question.
Oh man, it was more because it was more for your note sheet than anything. What's up? Yeah, go ahead. So this one example today. You know an example today? I'll give you guys like 10 minutes to do it. It shouldn't take you that long. No more graph paper. Oh. Alright, so on top, I got x minus 1, and then the other one factors to be x plus 1 and x plus 2. On the bottom, I got x minus 2 and x plus 2. Yes? Yep. Okay, but let's knock out domain first, since domain is still on the other function. So, or on the original function, I should say. All real numbers, but x cannot equal plus or minus 2. Everybody good with that for domain? Okay. Now, cross and cross. So that leaves me with my new function of f of x is equal to x minus 1, x plus 1, all over x minus 2. Yes? Okay? Love it. Vertical asymptote, x equals 2. Horizontal asymptote, none. Because it's 2, the degree on top is 2, degree on the bottom is 1. So we've been calling that a none asterisk, right? Because it differs by 1. So that means we have a slant. Okay? Y-intercept. Agree? Positive or negative 1/2? I got positive 2. Yep. Because on top we get 0 minus 1 is negative 1. 0 plus 1 is positive 1. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. So that's negative 1 over negative 2. So that is positive 1/2. Let's fill in as we go. We don't have a lot to fill in. 2 is 2 is 2. 1/2 is 1/2. That's probably where your graph was getting screwed up. Okay? X-intercepts. Because we set the numerator equal to 0, yeah. So 1 and oops, badness. Okay. Poles. Because we set x plus 2 equal to 0. That gives me x equals negative 2. So my pole is going to be at negative 2, comma. And then we plug in negative 2. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. 2. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. I get negative 3/4. Yes? I think you added. Yeah. So negative 2, negative 3/4. You look right there. slant asymptote. So in order, can I synthetically divide? Yay or nay? Yeah, I can. Okay, because it's a linear factor of the problem. Okay? So we can say x minus 2 equals 0, x equals 2. Okay? So 2 is going to be my outer number. But then inside the top, it's x minus 1. So grossly, what do I got to do first? I got to multiply these two together. So then that's going to be x squared minus 1. So then that gives me my inside numbers of 1, 0, and negative 1. Drop, multiply, add, multiply, add. Drop the remainder. Gives me y equals x plus 2. Good so far? Back at it, plus 2 is here. Agree? Left zone actually had 4 points in it already for us. So we're good there. Okay. Right zone. Let's see. That's 2. Let's move that over. 3. 3 and 10. 3 squared is 9 minus, no. 3 squared is 9 minus 1 is 8. Oh, for 1. So I get 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4. 16 minus 1 is 15. Over 2. 7.5. 5. 25 minus 1 is 24. All over 3. Back to 8. Yeah, buddy? Questions, comments, concerns, clarifications, haikus, hyperboles, explanations. Story time? No? So, today. Goal worksheet is week 15 worksheet. Goal is due tomorrow in class. Okay? 4 problems. Okay? All that's on there. I'm about to hand out to you the week 16 worksheet. Okay? That's going to be next week's worksheet is the review. Okay? Because it's review, because our test is on Wednesday. So we have review on Monday, test Wednesday next week. Okay? So that is, it's going to be white. I see it. It's right there. It's next to the real punch. I'll grab it here in a minute. That one is going to be due on Wednesday. Okay? There is a test. There's a quiz tomorrow. Okay? Right? But the big test is Wednesday. Okay? Tomorrow is 2 graphs, 3 extra problems. Okay? So 5 total problems tomorrow. Wednesday is 4 graphs and 8 extra problems. Okay? So that's a total of 12. Again, that's why you need to practice this stuff, because you need to get faster at it. And the only way you're going to get faster at it is if you get working through those steps. I saw his hand first.
How long was this?
Tomorrow or Wednesday? Tomorrow? It should take you about a half an hour. Okay? Should. Okay? Now, if you're not up to speed and you haven't done practicing and stuff like that, it might take you a little longer. Okay?
How do you know when you put the asterisk?
Top is bigger by one. At any point in time, whenever you're looking for a horizontal axis, go top bigger than 1. Yep. Yes, ma'am.
What are the actual problems?
Like, find me the x-intercepts. Find me just the slant asymptote. Problems like that. Okay? Okay. I think on one of them. Tomorrow, I don't think so. But on Wednesday, yes, I think on one of them. Yep. Nope, you get an hour to take it.